beginning nicely at the start. Fuego, Speed Terror in the middle. About 4 wide comes Speed Admiral. Next on line comes Manpower. Citonet is by Drell, Angie Red, and Sutter's Quest in that order as they leave the straight. 2 and 3 is now fighting it out for the lead. Fuego is Danori inside. Speed Admiral is already outside second. Moving up now to take third comes Angie Red. A length and a half back in fourth comes Citonet. Alongside Manpower, Speed Terror, Sutter's Quest still in behind as they swing down the back. This time 3 runners now fighting it out for the lead. Fuego by our long Speed Admiral in the middle, and on the outside is Angie Red. Citonet still in fourth, Manpower and Pip. Speed Terror and Sutter's Quest. Fuego still in front by only half a length. Then here comes Speed Admiral. Now coming closer on the outside. Speed Admiral takes the lead. Fuego is down on the inside. Angie Red still in third. Moving up Citonet as they come down at the last 200. Speed Admiral by about 3 lengths. Fuego drives back in second. Angie Red in third. Manpower last 75 meters, and it's still Speed Admiral by about 5 lengths now. And finally, is Speed Admiral. Fuego, Citonet, Angie